Hello everyone, welcome to the Is It Any Good YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing a set of replacement Fitbit Charge 2 straps by a company named Vitty. When searching on Amazon for a set of replacement wristbands, I was presented with quite a few options. However, the Vitty straps seemed very popular and had a design that closely resembled the strap originally included with the Fitbit Charge 2. The product boasted a 4.6 star rating and carried a cheap and cheerful price of £8.99 for a set of 4 straps. For the record, this video is not sponsored, I purchased the straps with my own money. Now, there are lots of different colour variations to choose from to suit your needs, but I decided to go for a set that included one black strap, one blue strap, one red strap and one white strap. The wristbands are made from silicone and are built with metal clasps on both ends. These clasps allow you to easily clip the wristband to your Fitbit device. The simple, smooth design on the wristband looks great, and the smooth silicone material is perfect for a leisurely or active lifestyle. The straps are very comfortable to wear and the buckle appears to be well made and strong. The Vitty replacement straps are available in 2 sizes, small, which is suitable for anyone with a 5.5 to 6.7 inch wrist size, and large, which is for anyone with a 6.7 to 8.1 inch wrist size. I opted for the large size, which fit me perfectly. All in all, I was very happy with these Vitty replacement straps for the Fitbit Charge 2. They aren't too fancy and have a basic design, but that is exactly what I was looking for. They seem to be of decent quality and haven't fallen apart after a couple of days of usage. If you're looking for a simple, reliable replacement strap for your Fitbit, be sure to check out Vitty's offering. This product gets the thumbs up from me. I would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. All the best.